Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming in with a haul. I'm gonna do two separate ones, a Dollar Tree haul next, and then what I picked up from Dollar General and my local thrift store. So I'll start with Dollar General. I posted on Instagram yesterday that Dollar General was having a 3-day sale where you got or it was buy one get one free on their autumn or harvest decor, and that included pretty much everything fall related. So I just got a few items and then, or a couple items, and then they had some things on clearance from like summer and spring, so I got just a couple items from that as well. So with the summer and spring items, I just got 2 of these bowls. I actually picked up the plates and the saucers to match these bowls, oh gosh, about a month or so ago, and they were on clearance. They were 50 cents each, and now they have these items for 15 cents and some are 30 cents. So they only had 2 of the bowls left, so I just picked up what I could find, and I may try to go to another Dollar General and see if I could get 4 more of these so I have a complete set. But anywho, they're just great for like salads and cereal, and for the price you can't beat it. And then it's a really nice neutral color that'll work with pretty much any kind of tablescape or table decor. Okay, for the fall items that I got, buy one get one free, I got 2 of these vanilla nutmeg candles. These are supposed to be limited edition candles. I'm trying to see, okay, the brand, I guess it's 2 wick essential oils. I don't know who it is. It could be just a Dollar General brand, but anyway, it's a 2 wick candle and it smells really good. It smells like, oh gosh, like a pound cake almost. But yeah, and it's really nice. I'm burning one actually now. But yeah, I got these. They were $5 each, so you know, pretty much $2.50. And not all, well, should I say, Bath and Body Works aren't the only ones that make really nice smelling candles. These are, oh my God, amazing. And it's like the scent's just coming through. It's a nice, well, it's our really first official day of fall because the temperature dropped finally here. So it smells like fall in my house. So anyway, I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 packs of these Thanksgiving napkins. They were $1 a piece and you get 16 in it. So I got this one that says gather, and I thought I actually got the other one. There were 2 styles that said gather, but I guess I got 2 of the same thing. So anywho, I'm just gonna put these on my table in my napkin holder just to have a little festive touch here in the kitchen. So that's everything I think I got from Dollar General. Yeah, so let's move on to the thrift store. So my local thrift store, I tell you about this all the time, is Children's Harbor Thrift. It's, you know, of course, charitable thrift store. They're only open on Fridays and Saturdays, 9 till 3. So I picked up a few items, and this is 2 weeks of items that I got. I went last week, left the stuff in the trunk of my car and totally forgot about it. And then I went Friday and picked up some stuff. So let me start. No, you know, particular order. It's just when I get to it. Okay, the first thing is this light keeper. I've seen this on TV and I've seen it in the stores, but I never picked one up. So they had this for $3, and it just helps you find blown out bulbs and fix your light strands and things like that. So finally got one, and I'm gonna try it out and see, because I have a couple strands that one half is not working, the other half is working. So we'll see how this works out, and I'll let you know. So if you see this in the stores, you may want to pick one up. But for $3, and I'm not sure how much they were in the store. I want to say they were like 10 bucks, 10 or 15. I'm not sure, but I got this for $3. All right, and they have tons of Christmas stuff in this thrift store. Last year I got my Christmas village. They had a complete Christmas village, a really nice one that I got from there. So this year they have some beautiful stuff. And what it is, I don't live too far from the lake, so a lot of people have lake homes, and I've said this before, they're starting to close up, move, sell, whatever it is, and they're donating a lot of stuff to this thrift store. So it's a lot of nice items that they give. And so I always like to go this time of year because they start putting out, you know, the seasonal things. So, anywho, picked up some stuff. So, I got this can of snow or spray snow from Walmart. Brand new. And they had it for 50 cents, but it's like $1 a can in Walmart. So, glad to pick that up. Can use that for some DIYs. Then I picked up 2 crystal candle holders. And they had them wrapped up, y'all, so forgive the noise. They were $2 for the pair, so basically $1 a piece. And so I got these, and let's see, hopefully you can see these. These are pillar candle holders, and I love the shape. It's like almost like a little snowflake or a little star. And I think this would be cute on the table with some white or silver candles in them. So for $2 I grabbed those. So let me move them out of the way so I won't knock them off the table. Okay, then I picked up this bag of apple ornaments, and I went back and forth because they had 2 bags. Well, they had several bags of ornaments. They had some beautiful red ornaments, but they wanted $13 for the bag. And I was like, maybe I can do better at Walmart. But they were beautiful ornaments, and they were all like solid red, different shapes. And so I was like, you know, so maybe if I go back next weekend, if they're there, they're meant for me. If not, screw it. Because I really don't need any more Christmas decor. But I went back and forth on these, but I went ahead and got them because I was thinking of changing up just a bit here in the kitchen with my tree in the kitchen. So I thought these apple ornaments would be beautiful because the accent color in here is red. And I do sort of a, I guess, country themed tree or rustic themed tree, and so I kind of wanted to change up just a little bit with that tree, and so I thought these would be pretty with some Dollar Tree ribbon that I got. So we'll see how that works out. If not, I could put these in like a vase as a bowl filler or something like that. But they're really, really pretty, and they have it stapled up because people will take stuff out, because I would take one out. Let's see if I can get in here for y'all. No. But anyway, you can see beautiful apples, little apples. So, and this was $10. So I went ahead and got that because I don't think I'd get that many for $10. You know, that cheap. Okay, this is what I am super excited about. Love this. They had several different Santa figurines, you know, the 12-inch, 15-inch, I don't know. They had some of the ones that are animated, brand new in the boxes. And so when I saw this fellow, I had to get him because, you know, it's hard to find African American themed items. And when they do have them in whatever store, they go quickly because there aren't as many, should I say, as if they were Caucasian. So here he is. He is so cute. And he's like, I guess, getting ready or fixing this little rocking horse or whatever. He was $6.50. $6.50. He is gorgeous. So I'm going to add him to my little collection of Santas. Not sure where he came from originally. But he is beautiful. He needs a little dusting. He's a little dusty. But he is beautiful. I love that. And I was so excited to find him in there. And I found several, and I mean, you've watched videos that I've uploaded before of things that I found in this thrift store. And I found a lot of African American stuff. So I like that. So I'm going to put Santa over there. Okay. Now we're going to move on. Same thrift. I picked up these Flameless Tea Lights. These were $6.96 originally, I think that says, and then they went down to $3.48, and I got them for $1.50. I want to say this is Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure, but anywho, they're 4 in a pack. Whoop, glare. But there are 4 in a pack, so I got these because you can never have too many tea lights. So grab those. Then they had this Nativity Set. Again, African American, and it was $3, and they are in this little Ziploc bag. Ugh, boy, they have it tied up like tight as a drum. And you're not going to be able to see it. I'm going to have to open it up. Oh my gosh, they have it taped up really, really nice. Let's see. With packing tape, so you know it's hard to get in this. But, yeah. I'm almost in, y'all. I'll just put it in another bag because I'm about to get ready to start with my Christmas. But they're beautiful little figurines. Like, here's Mary. Beautiful. And I have the manger that I actually bought from Walmart. And I have another African American set. But this one I could put like upstairs or somewhere else in the bathroom maybe. Foyer. But I think these are so cute. I mean, they're just adorable. I'm just so loving this. And where's the baby Jesus? Here he is. So, yep. Really cute. You probably can't see that. My camera's not wanting to focus. But yeah, I grabbed these for $3. So that was a steal. And then I got this beautiful angel. And she's stunning. And she's carrying a basket of roses. And so there she is. And again, I'm going to add that to my collection of angels as well as my little African American statues that I have. If y'all seen my little house tour a while back, well, it's been a minute, but you'll see another one here soon. I have the little church scene where, you know, they're in church having a good old time. So I think I'm going to add it to that same shelf that's on in the den. Okay. Still trucking along. This is Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna put that with the Dollar Tree stuff. Last bag from the thrift store. I picked up some multicolored Christmas lights. These are brand new. And they're pretty old because the sticker on here says Big B Drugs, honey. We haven't had Big B here in, I want to say, about 20 years. So whoever had these, it's probably from an estate sale or something, and they've been in somebody's garage or attic for a while. But yeah, they were $5.88 in Big B, but I got them for $1. And this is what they look like. I tested them before I purchased them, so I know that they work. And that's another reason why I got the little you know, the little light keeper, because these are older lights. They're not gonna keep burning when one goes out. I'm pretty sure of that. So for $1, I say they're pretty much disposable if they do, but if I can salvage them, hey, I will. But for $1, yeah. And I want to do something a little different. Usually I do the clear lights, but the multicolored lights remind me so much of my childhood and Christmas as a kid, because there weren't really a whole lot of solid lights then. You know, it was just, you know, the fat bulbs. The C9 bulbs, I think they are. C7, one of them. But anyway, we had a lot of those, you know, as a kid. So I kind of want to do a little throwback Christmas. And so, again, I got 4 of them. And when I went in the other day, this was from my first visit. When I went in the other day, they had some more. So if they still have them next weekend, I might get a few more boxes. Okay, last item is this lighted garland. I want to say this is Big Lots or something. I don't think this is Walmart. I don't know. It looks like either Family Dollar or Dollar General, Big Lots, somebody. These are C6 lights on a garland, and it was $12.99 originally, and they had them for $6, so I got that. And as you can see, it has the clear lights on it. Excuse me. And yeah, I got these. I kind of have an idea what I want to use these for. So yeah, I picked those up. So that is it for my little Dollar General and thrift store haul. Like I said, I'm about to do, oh no, that's not it. How could I forget this? Y'all, I got this big old comforter bag with these silver ornaments in it. Almost forgot these, y'all can believe that. Love these. Oh my gosh. And I like the fact that they're sort of on the bigger side. They're not your traditional size. So, or the regular size ones, they're big. And you know, I love silver. And my tree that's in the foyer has the bling stuff. It's really beautiful. If you've seen that video, you've seen it. These were $12. I didn't mind spending $12 because I knew if I went to Hobby Lobby, Walmart, whatever, I wouldn't get this many for $12. So yeah, I got those, and I like the fact that they're glittered and, you know, sparkly and shiny. So super excited to get those. So yeah, I'm gonna go back, hopefully, depending on how the budget is next Friday, and see what they have, you know, when I go back. So yeah, well, now that's gonna do it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna start doing my little Christmas DIYs here in a bit, probably before Halloween. I'm gonna do my Halloween tour so you can see how I used everything. And yeah, I'm gonna move on and start with that. So until my next video, I will see y'all then, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye y'all.